So are you craving some hot delicious Koose, but then there is no joint close by? You live miles and miles away from your favorite Koose seller, or even if you live close enough, you just do not have it in you to get up, dress, walk or drive to that location and wait in a queue till your turn? Well, making Koose in the comfort of your home is very simple, very few ingredients, but the result is just going to be as perfect as it would have been if you bought it from your favorite hajia. So I have here 2 cups of black eyed peas soaked. I actually pre-washed this before I soaked it. And now I'm just going to rinse it, get it ready with the rest of my ingredients for blending. This is how it looks. It soaked for about 2 hours, so it is definitely swollen. The grains actually came looking like this. You can tell it's quite smaller, dry, versus soaked now. So I'll get this, rinse it out. So beans all drained. So I have here 1 habanero, a thumb-sized ginger. I have these peppers. These are actually just sweet red peppers, and they're just going to go in to give it that beautiful pop of color. I'm going to use half of this large onion, and I have here some Maggie. This is like 1 Maggie shrimp tablet, just disintegrated, ready to go in the blender. So I'm going to cut half of my onion. Just chop it up. Now I'm going to transfer my chopped onions into my blender. I'm going to add my pepper, ginger, sweet peppers. I'll also go on and add my Maggie shrimp. And now I'll add my drained beans as well. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup water for easy blending and blend. Now pour my blended paste into my mixing bowl. Quite dense. We are going to beat this to let it become a little lighter. So I've rinsed out my blender with about 2 teaspoons of water. Now I'll add about half a teaspoon of salt. Remember that we added that Maggie shrimp tablet, so you don't want to put too much salt. I'm also going to add just a little bit, about a pinch of black pepper, and now I'm going to whisk this. Whisking is going to make sure that your batter or mixture is light, so your Koose comes out light and not dense. So our mixture is very light and fluffy at this point, and I already have my oil heating up, so we're gonna get ready to fry. My oil is hot. I'm going to start scooping. Oil is definitely very hot. You see The batter turns golden as soon as it hits the oil. Well, I hope you agree with me at this point that making Koose at home is this simple. And the results, absolutely perfect. Just look at how beautiful this looks. Well, we hope it's not just beauty on the outside, but on the inside as well. So let's take a look. Wow, look. Naha no me kama fe na ho fe to say Rosalinda. Hey, and it's so delicious as well. And if you are feeling adventurous enough to make your cocoa at home as well, I have a recipe for you right here.